The place is just super clean, and not only that, you've got so much automation going on there, machines doing all different kinds of jobs, and you've got the machines and people working alongside together like very efficiently. Everything's very neatly organized. Each station is kind of labeled both in Chinese and in English, so it was very easy for me to see, oh, this is for door assembly, or this is for dashboard assembly. At the end of the production line, you get to see the cars that are finished and they get their final inspection, you know, going over the bumps to check the suspension, or going into the bright lights to see if there's any problems in the paint or bodywork. Just that final little piece to make sure the cars are perfect before they go off to the customers. It's very, very interesting. Great experience that not many people get to have, going inside the factory and seeing how everything works together in such an efficient way.